So let's move on the website about us. So again, I'm using the same title. So let's check. So here we go. We are a team of gamers who are passionate about finding the best gaming laptops for under $1,000. We know firsthand how hard it can be to find an affordable gaming laptop that can still deliver great performance. We have spent countless hours researching, testing, and comparing the latest models. You don't have to. Our goal is to provide honest review and detailed information about the best gaming laptops on the market so you can make an informed decision before making your purchase. Amazing. Word Hero write this description for us like human writer write for about team, and it's amazing. Let's check again by tapping the right for me again. So here we go, and I think it's repeating some words here, and but it's amazing again with a difficult English than the previous one. So I just saw 5 words, 75 words generated here. So Word Hero generate 75 words for us on a single tap in this sentence. So let's move on the